All right, so this video will be pretty quick. To perform a dilation, all we're going to do is we're going to take our scale factor. So in this case, our scale factor is 2, and we are going to multiply every single coordinate, not helpful when I cover it, every single coordinate in the pre-image by 2. So for instance, k is -4, 4. So I'm actually going to just write down all the pre-image coordinates first. L is 4, 4. M is for -4, and N is -4, 4, -4, -4. So I'm going to scale that by 2. That's an enlargement. So I'm going to multiply every coordinate by 2. So K becomes -8, +8. So -8, +8, that's K prime. L becomes +8, +8, multiplying both coordinates by 2, +8, +8, that's L prime. M becomes +8, -8, +8, -8, M prime. And then N prime becomes -8, -8. And so, oops, that's right there. This is our dilation. These two, it's hard to draw straight lines on here, guys. I'm so sorry. These two shapes are similar. They are not congruent. All right, let's do this last one. This last one is going to have a scale factor of 1/4. That makes it a reduction, so it's going to get smaller. And because we're centering it around the origin, it's going to shrink in towards the middle of our graph. So we'll notice that as well. So let's do our pre-image coordinates. So P is 0, -4. Q is 8, -4. R is 8, -8. S is 0, -8. And so I'm going to multiply all of these coordinates by 1/4, but just remember multiplying by 1/4, or we could do that symbol, multiplying by 4th is the same as dividing by 4. That's what this division bar means, divide by 4. So I'm really just going to divide my coordinates by 4. That's a much easier way to think of this. So this becomes 0, -1. So 0, and then -1 is going to be right in the middle here because it's each box is worth 2. So -1 is right in the middle. Q becomes 2, -1. So I'm going to go to 2 and down halfway to be at -1. R is going to be 2, -2 because I'm dividing both of those coordinates by 2. Ooh, super tiny. And then 0, -2. It's going to be right there. So my pencil's too large for this, but we get this super tiny little thing right here. And like I said, because it's going around the origin, the rectangle shrinks inwards towards the center of our graph. And that's how you perform dilations.